lesson, construction of triangles. In this lesson, you will identify under what circumstances you can construct a triangle, because it's not always possible to construct a triangle with any three lengths. Okay? Then we should know what is the possible circumstance you can construct a triangle. Right. It's already given you into your book. Let's see that one. Before that, tell me how many sides are in a triangle? How many sides? We know that 3 sides are in a triangle. Okay, now let's see the condition. Condition is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the length of the remaining side of the triangle. Got it? Okay, now let's see. It means in every cases where that condition is met, we can construct a triangle. Okay? Okay, now let's take examples. Here you are given 3 lengths, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now let's apply the condition. So what is the condition? The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the length of the remaining side of the triangle. Okay, now let's see. First, let's consider these two lengths and let's get the sum. 3 plus 4 is 7, right? Then we got the sum of these two lengths. Then what is the length of the remaining side? Remaining side is 5 centimeter. Now look at here. Here 7 is greater than 5. Then it means the sum of these two lengths is greater than the length of the remaining side. Okay. Then first we considered these two lengths and we got the sum. It's 7 centimeter. Now let's consider these two lengths and let's get the sum. 4 plus 5. Then what is the sum? It's 9. Then what is the length of the remaining side? Remaining side is 3 centimeter. So in this case also 9 is greater than 3. It means sum of these two lengths is greater than the length of the remaining side. Okay. Now we got the sum of these two lengths and we got the sum of these two lengths as well. Now we can get the sum of these two lengths as well. 3 plus 5. What is the sum? It's 8. Then what is the length of the remaining side? Now this one. What is the length of the remaining side? It's 4. Now see here. 8 is greater than 4. In this case also, the sum of the lengths of these two sides is greater than the length of the remaining side. Then what happened? In all these three cases, the sum of the lengths of two sides was greater than the length of the remaining side. Then we can say we can construct a triangle with these three lengths. Okay? We can construct a triangle with these given three lengths. Right. Okay, now let's take another one. Another one. Now here also you have to decide whether or not a triangle can be formed with these given three lengths. Now first let's consider these two lengths and let's get the sum. 3 plus 4. What is the sum? It's 7. Now what is the length of the remaining side? What is the length of the remaining side? It's 9. Now what happened? 7 is less than 9. 7 is less than 9. Then here we cannot fulfill the condition. Why? Because the sum of these two lengths is not greater than the length of the remaining side. Then in this case we cannot construct a triangle with these given lengths. We cannot. Okay.